Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to solve this question. It was given JEE 2025, January 28 second shift. This question from solution lesson. Very interestingly, they framed this question. First, we have to understand what is the question and what are they asking for. First, we have to understand. Just imagine here you take one cell. So this is one living cell. Inside of this living cell, glucose solution is there. Its concentration is, glucose solution concentration is 0.9% mass percentage. Okay, right? Already this cell is having certain solution where that solution concentration is here 0.9 mass percentage or weight percentage is given. Now this cell is placed into the another solution. Okay, so now this cell, which is living cell, is placed into the another solution. This cell is immersed in other solution having equal mole fractions of glucose and water. The second solution, this cell is placing into that solution. Okay, so now here you should have clarity. What is that? When you place the cell into the another solution, it may swells up or it may shrink. What is happening they're asking about. Okay, so now let's see what's happening here. See, in this process, if you want to solve this, you try it. Pause this video and you try it. Otherwise, you can follow this. Here you see. What I'm taking here is weight percentage of the second solution. Weight percentage is equal to weight of glucose. We can take weight of glucose divided by weight of glucose plus weight of glucose plus weight of water into 100. So here, if you substitute here, we will get that second solution percentage. For that, what we have to do, that is mole fraction of, they gave certain data. What is that data? Mole fractions of both glucose and water, both are equal. So generally, if a solution contains two components, sum of the mole fractions of these two components are equal to the unity. So both mole fractions are same, they said. That means it's a mole fraction 0.5 and its mole fraction 0.5 because 0.5 is equal to 1. So now here mole fraction of glucose formula is what? Number of moles of glucose divided by number of moles of solution. Just you keep it like this. So its value is what? 0.5. Mole fraction of the glucose is 0.5, which means 1 by 2 we can write. Okay. Here number of moles of glucose and this number of moles of solution I am taking this side. Okay. Number of moles of glucose is equal to what? Weight of glucose divided by gram molecular mass of glucose. What is the gram molecular mass of glucose? 180. So therefore, you see this here 2 and 180, 90. So now get cancelled. Now here weight of glucose, you can take it as like what? 90 into number of moles of solution, total number of moles of solution. So first part we calculated. Next we can go for the here number of mole fraction of water. Mole fraction of water also same, we can take number of moles of water divided by total number of moles, which means total number of moles of solution. So here 0.5 means here also 1 by 2 we can take. So n number of moles of solution I am taking this side, which means here weight of water divided by what can we take? It's a gram molecular mass of water. It's how much? 18. Cancel it 2 times, here 9. So therefore that 9 comes this side. Weight of water is equal to 9 into number of moles of solution. So here we got weight of glucose and weight of water. This total data I want to substitute in that formula, right? So now here you see this. Here weight percentage is equal to here 90 into weight of glucose is 90 into number of moles of solution divided by here number of moles of what is that we can say the weight of glucose plus weight of water. I'm taking common number of moles of solution into 100. So these both get cancelled. We can take simply 90 by 99 into 100. So by the cancellation, the second solution concentration is how much? 90.9% mass percent concentration is there. So here the main role is important role we have to understand. That means here you see, imagine this is one cell. Inside cell, how much concentration is 0.9%, very low concentration. And it is placed in which concentration? Okay, it is placed in the solution where the concentration is 90.9%. Outside concentration is very high when compared to the cell solution concentration. That's why in that case, the water which is present in the cell will come out of the cell because here osmosis takes place from low to high. Okay, so the solvent is moving from low to high, automatically shell shrinks. So answer for this question, first option. Okay, shrinks the cell.